What up, everybody? What up, YouTube? What up, squad? Welcome back to another video. Check it out. Y'all already see by that screen. Yeah, that baby came in. Yes, sir. So in this week's video, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be unboxing the Epson ET2720 and Cosmo ink. So if you guys want to see more of this video, stay tuned to after this intro. Check it out.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Alright guys, check it out. Got it out the box. Basically what it comes with is a power cord. Plug in the ink, which we are not going to use, which I will show you the ink we are going to use. That DVD, which I'm not sure if we are going to use yet. I will figure that out and I'll let you guys know in a future video. And the beast itself. This is the Epson 2720. As you can see right here, it is labeled BK, yellow, magenta, and whatever that C word is. I know some weird words it uses for the colors, but they also have them labeled on the ink we're going to be using, so that makes it easy. Also, reason I got this, if you guys are wondering, it was on sale. Got it for a decent price. This is my way to get into starting sublimation. So I did not need to go all out and get something that I have no idea even how to use yet. So this is me learning. So if you guys want to join me, get an Epson 2720. It's not that much of an investment. The ink I got is it's a good brand ink from what I've heard, and I will be reviewing that with you guys once we do start using this. But opening this up right here, taking it out the plastic. It's not even that heavy. The box was big it came in, but this actual thing itself ain't that heavy. It's actually gonna fit right on the table. That's basically all that comes in the Epson. Bunch of tape. We will be taking all this off. And let me know what you guys are getting into. I know I see a lot of people out there doing that DTF, like Big Boy. Really love his channel. Just found him out not too long ago. He's doing all the DTF. DTF is crazy right now. If I had the customer base to get into that, that would be so nice. Because you got to keep that thing running. And the maintenance on it is crazy. This one, it has a little bit of maintenance, but not as much as a DTF printer. Those are for the big boys right there. Those are for the big boys right there. And this is actually a real nice printer. I actually really like it. This pulls out. But there's all this blue tape around there. I seen on Cosmo's YouTube that he just takes all that off. I might edit this out the video so you guys ain't just watching me peel this off. But if you are, appreciate it. I know this is kind of boring. I'm just trying to get my stuff correct. And I'm going to show you guys that ink real quick too. I know there was something in here. This right here is actually where you are going to fill your ink. See that right there? You just kind of flip this latch open. It is by the color. So then you will just kind of lift that up and fill it just like that through that plug-in right there. But since we're here with that open, I will show you the ink we are using. Cosmos ink. Why I used Cosmos ink? You don't have to use Cosmos ink, and I never used it to recommend Cosmos ink, so if you want to, you can. If not, it ain't gonna hurt me either way. But I chose to use this because I've seen a lot of people using it, and I've seen a lot of good reviews on it, and following his YouTube, I like his story. So I support other businesses that are trying to come up, and yeah, that's how we gonna do it. Support the small businesses. And packaging is crazy. I love packaging. Like just look at this. You got the Cosmo ink on the inside right there. Like, that packaging game is crazy. This is what differentiates a company. He also has his he used to be known as Caps on Fire as well. But everything he got on there, his gratitude, of course, no problem, bruh. You got a dope product, of course we're gonna use it. And that's his ink right there, but you'll see it says black, magenta, yellow. Then you got the blue one right there, whatever that's called. And then these, actually, the reason why I did get these, I'm gonna open it up real quick for you guys so you can actually see. I just took my blade and cut that open. But take a look at this. The reason why I got this printer and Cosmo ink, if I'm pretty sure, is because that right there. See that cap? That cap right there will legit just go right over this and fill right up. No change needed. No converting of the printer. That's how easy that is. Or at least that's how easy I seen on the video it is. So the things we're going to do is the behind the work. Oh, it's called cyan. That's what it's called. But the things we're going to do in this next week's video, I'm going to work on getting this printer set up. I'm going to work on printing out some paper, and probably we're going to sublimate something depending on how it comes out. So we're going to have to test it out. I don't want to get it too started early and have it sitting for a week without me ready to even use it. So appreciate you guys tuning in for this week's video. And hey, Cosmos ink, Epson 2720. Let's see what we can do with this, guys. Tune in to the next week's video. Lost Entrepreneur out.